ये हार्ट शेप बना रही है। हार्ट हार्ट। वीडियो वाला होता है।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों,
All eyes up in the sky as here they come diving down.
सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी तुम भी
And there they go, spreading out like the rainbow of the sun.
मजा आ
वीरों सज्जनों, लगता है आपकी तालियों की
तुम भी चलो, हम भी
gentlemen, till now you saw the aircraft fly, roll and dive. But now get set to watch them groove to picture abhi baki hai. Taiyar ho jaye, come in the sky for a look. In a short while from now, I will transmit the leader's call from the cockpit for you all. और देखिए कैसे नंबर 8 और 9 अपनी पोजीशन बदलकर बना चुके हैं एक डायमंड इन द स्काई. This diamond is dedicated to the wonderful audience of Ambala today.
Ladies and gentlemen, look straight up towards the runway as you can.
I request that you. The pilot is executing an upward maneuver. The formation is led by Group Captain Nagendra Abhishek, followed by Wing Commander MS Sabarwal. Wing Commander. Please give a huge round of applause for the Akash Ganga team.
Raise up for lower and closer action. Let the ground shake with the magnitude of your applause.
वाओ दारुण
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you
A huge round of applause for them. Home Safety Officer is Master Warrant Officer Ravindra Bedwa. Huge Indian Air Force flag being flown depicts the motto Nabha Spasham Deepatam, which means touch the sky with glory. The other team members flying colorful parachutes are Sergeant Sanjeev Beniwal, carrying the Akash Ganga flag with 500 plus jumps to his credit.
Wing Commander Anup Singh carrying the 5 squadron flag with 1000 plus jumps to his credit. Sergeant Bharat, who will land with color stripes on his parachute. Wing Commander Ram Kumar Tiwari and Wing Commander Rahul Jha doing the leg plane formation with 1000 plus and 1200 plus jumps to each of their credits respectively.
करेक्ट